Hi guys, welcome to my next video installment. In this video I want to talk to you about the misunderstood auto release and auto arming parking brake, as well as the auto arming park system of the transmission. This is a topic that is quite often misunderstood by people I see, and I'm going to show you why. Then also I'm going to talk to you about other things such as the auto hold system, and I see there's quite a lot of people that do not understand how that works or functions, as well as one or two other nitty-gritties about the center console. That is something I'm going to show you now, so stay tuned and enjoy. Okay guys, here we go. Okay guys, what I'm going to talk to you about now is the auto arming and auto disarming parking brake. I want to show you how it works, and guys, the reason why people see it as a function that does not work is because of this little thing. It's called a seat belt. If you do not have your seat belt on, the system will not work. You need to have your seat belt on. Okay? Let me show you. The car's on. I've put it in reverse. As you can see here on the instruments cluster, the parking brake is still active. Okay? So it's in reverse now. I lift my foot off the brake and I just touch the accelerator and we are moving. Same with going forward. You can see there it's active now. It's in drive. Foot off the brake, touch the accelerator, and we are going. Very easy. Just use your seat belt and it will work. Then I want to talk to you about the auto arming of the parking brake. Guys, did you know this? Whether in drive or in reverse, doesn't matter. When you arrive at your parking destination, you don't need to touch any of those two. Note, the car is still in drive, the parking brake is still not active. Okay? You've just arrived in your parking, all you need to do is switch the car off. You'll note that parking is now active and the parking brake is also now active. All you need to do is switch the car off. It will do the rest for you. Now, I want to talk to you about the auto hold function. Okay? You'll note here as it's going to light up here at the bottom. You'll see it's a yellow light. The moment when it is activated, the light will be green, which shows you that it is now functional. Okay? So what will happen? Say you're in reverse, parking brake off, you're reversing, come to a stop. You'll see there the light is now green. You can now take your foot off the brake. It will hold the car. It will hold it there in the same position until you decide to move. When you touch the accelerator, you're moving again. Same with drive. You're in drive mode. You just shut up this. Drive mode, moving forward. You're in the traffic, you stop. You can take your foot off the brake, give your leg a rest, give your foot a rest. Once the traffic start moving, touch the accelerator and you're moving again. So that is auto hold for you. So now I want to show you a few nitty-gritties of the interior with the center console. Some people didn't realize that it can do that. Okay guys, Let me take this off. Did you know that you can simply, you see there's a little tab there, that you can remove this little tray and go and wash it in the house? Same with this one, yeah. There's a little tab there. Hold on to it, take it out and go and wash it. My word, mine is dirty. I'm a little bit of a clean car guy, so I like to keep my car clean. This one, let me show you. Did you know that this one here is supposed to be fed? Your wire, this wire, is supposed to be fed through there. There's a hole here. Maybe I can show that to you. There's a hole there where the wire goes through. Let me show you. The wire goes through there. Then this one will go in there and rest, and that's what that will look like. You see? Guys, that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope you have learned something. I will be recording another one that has to do with the fog lights. Hope you enjoy. See you.